A long time ago, on my birthday, back, I think the 2000s, I think it was. I don't know. I forgot when I got this, but I remember I used to shake this up a lot. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I caught it. Alright, maybe I'm shaking it too fast. You're saying? Okay, that was unpleasing. But nevertheless, I had this is for years. I hardly touched it since, but yeah, my pet tornado is still alive. I put this through very little. I used to have this, not silly putty, but like something similar to silly putty. I covered the whole my pet tornado in this. I don't even know if they still make pet tornadoes anymore. But oh, I don't know if it was shown, but I got it again. So yeah, and that was just a quick video showing off my pet tornado. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and you know the rest of the bullshit. So subscribe if you want to, and I guess if you don't want to subscribe, don't. Bye.